Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting better FPS in Genshin Impact doesn't have to be complicated. Step 1, we'll start with your graphics settings and show you exactly what to adjust. Step 2, we're going to dive into your system optimization and clear out the junk slowing you down. Step 3, we'll talk about updating your drivers because that's actually one of the biggest FPS killers. Step 4, you'll learn about background apps that are secretly tanking your performance. Step 5, finally, we'll cover some advanced tweaks that most players don't even know about. These methods work whether you're on a high-end gaming PC or something more budget-friendly. By the end of this video, you should see a noticeable difference in your frame rates. Some of these changes could boost your FPS by 20 to 40 frames depending on your setup. Let's get started.